I'm Gauri from First BCom B. I'm studying in KCS Kasi Nadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about population. Population introduction. One of the burning problem of India is growing population. India has a large population which is second largest in the world. It is nearly 16% of total world population. The rapidly increase in population has to reduce the economic growth. Present scenario of population. Sex composition. Sex ratio is the male and female of the population of India is projected close to 1.38 billion or 1380 million or 138 crore people in 2020. The total population in India is estimated at 1.366 billion or 1366 million or 136.6 crore people in 2019. There are 71.7 crore males and 66.3 crores females live in India. Rank of population. First China 18.47%, second India 17.7%, third United States 4.25%, fourth Indonesia 3.51%. Life expectancy. Life expectancy in 2020 69.27. Life expectancy for women was 73.7 years in urban centers and 69 in rural areas, while the comparative figures for men were 71.2 years and 66.4 years respectively as per SRS report realized by the Register General of India. Age composition. India has more than 50% of its population below the age of 25 years and more than 65% below the age of 35 years. In 2020, the average age of an India is 29 years. Literacy rate. The literacy rate of India is 77.7%, while Kerala has emerged as the most literacy rate, 96.2% in the country, followed by Delhi, while Andhra Pradesh has recorded the lowest literacy rate, 66.4%. In rural areas, as the literacy rate is 73.5% compared to 87.7% is urban areas of the country. At the all India level, the male literacy rate is higher at 75.3% and the female literacy rate is 53.7%. India age between 2018 under 15 years 26.6%, 15 to 29 years 25.9%, 30 to 44 years 21.8%, 45 to 59 years 15.7%, 60 to 74 years 7.9%, 75 to 84 years 1.8%, 85 and old age years 0.3%. And the next, literacy rate of India. 1951 to 2000 level. 1951 la female 8.86%, male 27.16%. 2000 level la female 65.46%, male 82.41%. Density of population. The current population density of India in 2021 is 423.88 people per square kilometer, a 0.97% increased from 2020. Density of population in India ranked in 28th place, 464 per square kilometer, 1202 per square mile. Thank you.